Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basalam, December 4, 2022. 3-star Sudoku, third grade, and column G, we have pair numbers 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column C, column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, and 4th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Column J, column D, column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Second grade, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells, it will come in other 2 cells. We will confirm later. First grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 9. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, then 9 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row and fourth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Sixth row, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 8, 9. Column H, column E, we have 8. So it can't come these cells, the 8 is confirmed here. In fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Seventh row, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. Column I, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then sixth row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Fifth grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. Column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Fourth row, column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 4. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, then 4 is confirmed here. In fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then the column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 5. Column E, column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column E, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. The 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then first grade, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.